guys, how are you all? I hopefully believe that you all are quite fine. And once again, I warmly welcome all of you in this video. Over here today, we will discuss about advertisement writing, that how to write, how to depict advertisement, and I have depicted a few important significant tips here. We will discuss about all those tips, methods of advertisement. First of all, what is an advertisement? Actually, advertisement is a significant link between the producer and the ultimate consumer. It also imparts information to different buyers at distant places through mass communication. There are two types of advertisement. Over here, we will discuss about first type of advertisement. Actually, there are two types of advertisement as I can depict here. First, classified advertisement, and second is known as display advertisement. Display whatsoever we display on a screen, and whatsoever we depict, we write, we advertise in newspaper. Actually, every national or local daily newspapers exhibits advertise classified advertisement on second or subsequent pages of their newspaper or magazines. There are different types of classified advertisement. Different types of classified advertisement we can classify. First advertisement as situation vacant. This word vacant signify vacancies. Vacancies means when we advertise a job for the post, various types of post. When we advertise a job for jobs for various types of post, जब हम अनेक पदों के लिए विज्ञप्ति या विज्ञापन निकालते हैं, अर्थात when a company, institute, organization, firm or a person advertise different types of job for different types of post. जब कोई कंपनी, कोई इंस्टीट्यूट, कोई फर्म और कोई व्यक्ति जो है विभिन्न पदों का, पोस्ट का विज्ञापन निकालता है, तो उसे कहते हैं सिचुएशन वेकेंट. एंड सेकंड इज सिचुएशन वांटेड. when we ourselves seek jobs, जब हम स्वयं जॉब्स, नौकरी खोजते हैं, तलाश करते हैं. और when we want jobs, जब हम खुद when do we want jobs, जब हम कोई जॉब, कोई नौकरी खुद चाहते हैं, खुद ढूंढते हैं, उसको हम कैटेगराइज करते हैं अंडर सिचुएशन वांटेड. एंड जब कोई जॉब एडवर्टाइज किया जाता है किसी के द्वारा, तो होता है सिचुएशन वेकेंट. आफ्टर दैट द थर्ड टाइप्स ऑफ क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट इज फॉर सेल. For sale to let टू लेट भी है। एकोमोडेशन वांटेड, जब हम कोई एकोमोडेशन चाहते हैं। मिसिंग एंड आल्सो मैट्रिमोनियल क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट। तो ये हुआ क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट का प्रकार, काइंड्स, टाइप्स। व्हाट आर इंपॉर्टेंट सिग्निफिकेंट टिप्स टू राइट टू डिपिक्ट a classified advertisement as, first of all, heading in capital letters. For each and every types of classified advertisement, first of all, heading in capital letters above all, and as heading we can write missing, we can write too late, we can write for sale, we can write depict situation vacant, we can write situation wanted, just like that, car for sale, etc. But we should write in capital letters. Write in less than 50 words. Our word limit must not be exceed from 50 words. It should be less than 50 words at any cost. Do not use full sentences. Always do not use full sentences, but try to concise, precise, and minimize your own words, languages, thoughts. Always add contact details in the end. It is most important, significant that we should mention our contact details, and wherever it is necessary, address at the end of our advertisement. Place it in a box. Always place it in a box. कोई भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट हो उसे जो है, अगर क्लासिफाइड एडवर्टाइजमेंट है तो उसको एक बॉक्स के अंदर ही लिखना चाहिए। एज फॉर सेल, बॉक्स में ही लिखना चाहिए। एंड apart from it, our advertisement must be concise, complete. There should be full information, complete information, and there should be concrete information. Apart from it, if we are going to write situation vacant or for situation wanted, we must follow that beginning with wanted or required. If we are going to write depict situation vacant, then begin your advertisement like word and sentence as wanted or required. There we can write wanted or dynamic, wanted intelligent and dynamic sales executive, wanted good scholar, wanted nice or beautiful house accommodation. Just like that we can write, but here for each and every classified advertisement, especially for situation vacant and situation wanted, we can write wanted or required, the name of organization, name of the post, qualification, age, sex, and preference, and the expected salary, or then end with contact details, especially for situation vacant and situation wanted. So students, I hopefully believe that you all would like it. Thank you all of you. See you again in next video. Thanks.